So today on Facebook I saw a video, a very disturbing video at that. I saw a video of a man, one madman chop up one like a 17-year-old girl. And people are saying if they should be held in jail with hardened criminals. So that's today's topic. If insane or mentally ill patients are supposed to be held in jails with hardened criminals, because in the space of 2 days, 2 innocent people have been killed by a mentally ill person in Jamaica. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on this, please keep on watching. Yeah, girl. So, insane man killed a 17-year-old girl a few days ago. And the question comes into play whether these mentally ill persons, when they do stuff like this, because this is the second time in 2 days that a mentally ill person killed someone. This girl wasn't related to him. They don't know each other. He just went, chop her up, and killed the little 17-year-old girl in the street. And people were there videoing it and not helping. And the police them come, drive past the madman, way down there so, and turn back. But that's a whole different thing we will discuss in this video also. So the topic for today, if these mentally ill persons should be held in a jail with hardened criminals. Honestly, I think that they should not be held in a jail with hardened criminals, because these people require different things. They need different things from a hardened criminal. Like, these people are psychologically damaged, mentally retarded. Certain parts of their brain haven't been fully developed. Or, for example, their frontal lobe or their frontal cortex have not been fully developed. So, they don't understand certain things. They can comprehend certain things. I don't think that they should be held in a jail with hardened criminals. Also, because hardened criminals and a mentally ill person are two different things. A hardened criminal is a person that knows exactly what they did was wrong, but choose to do it anyways. They're fully capable of understanding their actions. They're fully capable of understanding that if me do this, me will go to jail, but they still decide to do it anyways. That full capacity to understand exactly what they're doing and the repercussions of their actions, basically. So when it comes on to mentally ill persons, they don't know that. They don't understand that certain actions are gonna get you a certain punishment, or certain actions you're going to be held accounted for, because they can't comprehend in their brain. Their brain is not fully developed. Certain neurons are not hitting certain place. Certain things are not connected. Like, the left side of their brain is not directly connected to their right side, and they can transmit certain things like how I would transmit it or how you would transmit it. So I don't think they should be held with hardened criminal. And also, if the United Kingdom mean Jamaica any good, they actually wanted to give Jamaica how many millions of dollars to create a jail. The United Kingdom actually wanted to send Jamaica how many millions to build a jail in Jamaica for all the Jamaican people that's in jail in the United Kingdom. If they meant Jamaica any good, I felt like they would, instead of making a jail, make a place like Bellevue that's in Jamaica that can house these mentally ill patients, that can actually take care of their needs and wants and treat them differently, because these people can't be treated like regular civilized people. They're mentally ill people, mentally retarded people, so they need special care and special needs. And I felt like if the UK meant Jamaica any good, they would do something like that instead of making a multi-million-dollar jail for hardened criminals. Like, that's not going to do anything more than put more criminals in Jamaica, and Jamaica does not need that. Okay, make somewhere like Bellevue. Bellevue is so crowded in Jamaica that they are sending people away because they can't help them. They don't have no beds to put in them. They don't have enough staff, and even the staff are not getting paid enough money for the job that they do. So it's a big ring around the rosy. I feel like people need to be more aware that of their surroundings and be more aware of mentally ill people, because in Jamaica we have this lackadaisical backwards thinking that if somebody is mentally ill, somebody obey them smoke something, them spike something give them, or a God just make them born so. No, this is a physiological issue. Certain parts of their brains are not developed yet, and they need special care and special attention. People with bachelor's degree at Jamaica still thinks that if somebody's mentally ill, I just them want to stay so, or God met them so. No, these people need special care and special attention, and the faster that Jamaican people understand that and know this, is the more equipped we'll be able to handle situation like this. Because in the video that I saw, nobody was helping. Everybody was just standing there in shock and videoing this girl as she bled out. Like, really? We would know how to calm down the situation. We would know how to react to the certain situation. We also know the necessary precautions to take when we see situations like this happening, and our people would be more vigilant and aware of their surroundings. So it's up to the Jamaican people to understand that mentally ill person needs special care, special attention, and don't just have them to walk around in a Jamaica just free so, because at any specific time, if they're not on medication, they can have a spike and or something influences a traumatic event in their life, and they go crazy, they go nuts and kill somebody like they have been doing in Jamaica. So people need to be more aware of their surroundings, man. I feel sorry for these people that died, that had to bring this topic up. Like, they had to die for somebody to actually bring this topic up, and it's crazy because this is not supposed to be happening, especially in Jamaica. Like, we can contain this. This is something that we can control. This is something that we need to be more educated about also. So in the comment section, tell me what you think about hardened criminals being placed with mentally ill persons in a regular jail facility. Do you think that they should be they should be paired together or separately? And do you think that Jamaican people need to be more educated on mental health and how to be more cautious and how to act around certain persons, or how to switch up their thoughts about mentally ill people? Just tell me in the comment section what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Your girl here on YouTube, Brains on the Beat. I'm always here. Hit me up in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm out of here. Deuce.